Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy camera pink tint night vision issue, IR color fix and setting guide. So guys, if you're facing such type of issue, so you just follow this video. First thing is guys, power cycle the camera and the app. Sometimes a simple software freezes cause the filter to stay open. So close and verify app completely and use an ejector pin to press the reboot button on the device. Alternatively, power the camera off and on holding the power button for the 3 seconds. Then guys, toggle day and night mode manually. Manually forcing the camera to reset its filter can unstick it. Open your Birdfy app and access the camera's live view. Then you go to the camera devices settings and locate the night vision settings and toggle the setting from auto to always on or night mode. Check the screen and toggle it back to auto. Then guys, gently tap the camera lenses. According to the community consensus and the security professional, an IR cut filter can physically get stuck. So take a soft object or the light tool like handle of the kitchen spoon and tap the camera housing firmly but gently. This will often vibrate the internal filter loose so it's fall back into its correct daytime or the nighttime position. Check for the overexposure. If your camera is located near the bright artificial light source, the IR sensor might be confused and repeatedly flip between the day and the night mode. So you move or turn off any direct sunlight source, okay, shining near your camera lenses. Then guys, update your firmware and the factory reset. If the issues continue, so your firmware might be glitch. Check the app setting for any pending firmware update. If update, perform a full factory reset by holding down the reset button and then reconnect the camera to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So this is the way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.